Hello students, we'll start with the second topic of second lesson, power. So what is this power? Rate of doing work. Rate of doing work. Rate of doing work is called power. So rate of doing work means the work done in a particular time t. So work done in a particular time t. This time is always measured in seconds. So now moving on to the formula of power, P is equal to W by T, rate of doing work. So this time is always in seconds. Work done, we know that Newton meter or joules. So power is equal to W by T. There are two factors which affect the power. Power is directly proportional to work done. Power is directly proportional to work done. And the other factor, power is inversely proportional to the time t. Power is directly proportional to work done and power is inversely proportional to time t. So these are the two factors on which the power depends. So now let us move on. We know W is equal to Fs. Let us substitute it here. P is equal to Fs by T. We know that F into S by T. S by T is nothing but your velocity. S by T is velocity. Displacement by time is velocity. So let us substitute V in this. So there is one more definition or one more formula for power. Power is the product of force and velocity. Here, power is the rate of doing work, or power is the product of force and velocity. So power depends on two factors. Power is directly proportional to work done and power is inversely proportional to the time t. Now let us see the units of power. SI units of power. We know that P is equal to W by T. Units of W is joule and T is second. So SI unit of power is joule per second and CGS unit is erg by second. So this is the SI unit and CGS. Joule per second or erg per second. We can also call joule per second as watt. So the SI units of power is joule per second, or we call it also as watt. So now let us write the definition. Let us see the definition of watt. When P is equal to W by T, when work of 1 joule, when 1 joule of work is done, 1 joule of work is done in 1 second. When 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, then power is said to be 1 watt. So what is the definition of watt now? When 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, then power is said to be 1 watt. So this is the SI unit of power. So power is the rate of doing work, W by T. And power is also represented as F into V. Power is defined as a product of force and velocity. SI units of power is joule per second and CGS unit is erg per second. Joule per second is also called as watt. Let us see the difference between the power and work. First let us write the definition of work. When force causes some displacement in its own direction, then work is said to be done. What is the definition of power? The rate of doing work is called power. Rate of doing work is said to be power. Next, power is directly proportional to W and power is inversely proportional to time. Power is inversely proportional to time. Lesser the time, more will be the power. But here work is independent of time. It is not dependent. It does not depend on time. It is independent of time. It is independent of time. And power is inversely proportional to time. Now let us see the unit. What is the unit of what? It is joule. What is the unit of power? SI unit. Joule per second or watt. So this is the difference between work and power. First one is the definition. Work done. When force and displacement are in the same direction, then the body is said to do some work. And power, rate of doing work is called power. And work done is independent of time and power is inversely proportional to the time. And then finally moving on to the units. SI unit of work is joule and SI unit of power is joule per second or watt. So this is what about power, the second part of lesson 2. Let's see the ICSE previous questions from 2018. State and define the SI unit of power. State and define. What is the SI unit of power? It is watt. SI unit of power is watt. What is, you have to define now watt. When 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, then power is said to be 1 watt. When 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, then power is said to be 1 watt. And they asked you, how is in 2018, how is the unit horsepower related to SI unit of power? Horsepower and SI unit of power means 1 watt. How it is related to horsepower? They are asking you this relation between horsepower and watt. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts, or we will make it approximately 750 watt. So 1 horsepower is equal to 750 watt.